Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over some information about our '05 and up CBR 600 Swingarm Extensions. Alright, so as with all of our Swingarm Extensions, we've got our two finish options. We've got our black powder coat and our raw aluminum. Both of these actually feature our engraving option on them to have your logo engraved. As far as mounting goes, that's pretty simple. Once you get them on the bike, your brake caliper is just going, the bottom of it is just going to slide into this little track here. Once you tighten your axle up, that way it won't move back and forth or spin around or anything like that. As with everything that we make, lifetime warranty. All of our bolts and everything are all stainless hardware, so you'll never have any rust issues or anything like that. And that should conclude our '05 and up CBR 600s. Alright, so what we got here is just the accessories that you can opt for with our Swingarm Extensions. Right here is our standard chain. It's going to be a firepower. These are all 150 links, so you're going to have to cut links pretty much no matter what length you're stretching to, whether it's 12 inches or our shortest at 4.5. So our standard chain's usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. We send them with boosters and everything all the time with no problems. Our EK chains are more of a race-oriented chain. If you're going to drag race all the time, it's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links available in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, just pretty standard. So if you're rocking an ABS bike, if I could pick these up, you only have two choices. You'll have the black and the stainless for ABS lines, and they will be 60 inches, so they'll be quite a bit longer, and that is because they're going to go from your rear caliper all the way up and bypass anything else up into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under your tank, depending on the model you have. And as far as for non-ABS bikes, you got all your color choices here. We got everything except purple. That's pretty much all you need to know, and it'll just be two banjo fittings on either side.